Xiaomi has officially introduced the Xiaomi 15T Pro globally. Xiaomi 15T Pro comes in black, gray, and mocha gold color. The phone has a 6.83-inch AMOLED lipo screen with a 144Hz refresh rate with 3200 nits brightness. The Xiaomi 15T Pro is powered by the Dimensity 9400 Plus with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.1 storage. The Xiaomi 15T Pro has a Leica-branded triple rear camera, a 50-megapixel Light Fusion 900 sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel telephoto sensor with 5x optical zoom and 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor, a 32-megapixel camera for selfies. The 5500 mAh battery supports 90W wired and 50W wireless hypercharge. Xiaomi 15T Pro costs €799.90. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.